Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of waking up with allergy or that lingering odor from your mattress or carpet? Let's talk about Urban Company's mattress and carpet steam cleaning services. First off, let's dive into the process. Urban Company uses advanced steam cleaning technology that not only deep cleaning but also sanitize your surfaces. This means no more dust, mites, bacteria, or allergic lurking in your bedding or carpet. That's a game changer, right? Now let's address the elephant in the room. Honestly, in reviews, I scored through numbers, customer experience, and it's clear that most people are generally impressed with the result. Many have reported noticeable improvement in air quality and overall cleanliness. Plus, the convenience factor is huge. You can book a service right from your phone, and their professional arrive on time and ready to work. But it's not sunshine or rainbow. Some users highlighted that well, the initial cleaning in fantastic regular maintenance is key to keeping that freshness intact. So if you are looking for a one-time fix, you might want to consider a regular cleaning schedule instead. Another point worth mentioning is pricing. Well, Urban Company is not the cheapest option out there. Many customers feel that the quality of service justifies the investment. After all, a clean mattress and carpet contribute significantly to your health and well-being. If you are looking for a reliable solution for mattress and carpet cleaning, Urban Company might just be worth your time and money. Just remember to keep up with regular cleaning for lasting results. So vibrate your so guys, I highly recommended this Urban Company for deep cleaning. Thank you for watching. I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who take the time to engage with my content. Your support means the world to me, and it's drive me to create even more valuable entertaining video. Every like and comment share fuel my patience and motivate me to pushing the boundaries of creating video. It's not just about the numbers, it's about building a community where we can learn, grow, and inspire each other. I loved hearing your feedback and ideas, so keep them coming. Remember, every time you watch, you are not just a viewer, you are part of the journey. Together, we can explore new topics, tackle challenges, and celebrate achievement. Your engagement helps us shape the direction of this channel, and I am excited to share where we go next. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you have not already, share it with your friends and might enjoy it too. Let's spread and positivity and knowledge together. Till then, bye, take care.